Today I want to make a video and showing you a new feature that we have in funnels and websites, and that is called security headers. What are security headers? The security headers are a great booster for web security with very easy implementation. This example is pages that you can embed into an iframe and other pages you can't, and I'm going to show you how to actually add that to your funnel and website. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to head over to sites and we're going to head over to funnels or to websites. So this is available for both, for funnels and for websites. And let's do a tier funnel where I just did that. I don't want my order funnel embedded into another website. And so what I did is I set a security header that's called X-frame option. And I'm going to show you that right now here. If I go into the order funnel, there's a security tab now. And when you look at that security tab, I now have a security header that says X-frame options deny. What that means is nobody can embed my order funnel into their website. And the way to add this is very simple, and I'm just going to delete it. I'm going to show you how to add it back. You just click on Add Security Header, and then you copy the security header, in this case, X-frame options. The value is deny. There you go. Now this funnel has a security header option. There is a multitude of HTTP headers available. It would go too far to explain all of them. Let's go to the website, put that into the donut shop as well. You see here we have the security tab. We can now add the security header, and there it is. And there you go. It enables you now to increase the security of your funnels and your websites. That is it for today. I hope this helps you in understanding how you can increase the security of your funnels and websites.